What's up, guys? Today we're out here setting traps, setting a few dog proofs today. Doing a little coon trapping.
Was this the second one we set today?
Yeah, second one we set. We forgot to video the first one, but
First two actually got robbed last night.
yeah.
So,
But we put some different feed or whatever in it today, so we're gonna try that. Little stinkier stuff.
see what happens,
Yeah. But we got one, what, 2 or 3 days ago?
Yeah.
We got one right over there. And we got rid of him, got him all skun up, so hopefully we get another one at this spot. They're all around here, so we'll video the next one we set. See you then.
What's up, guys? We're here at the next spot. We're gonna set this trap. We're gonna set it foothold for a coon and hopefully for the night and see what happens. Jay's here trying to get it set.
Yeah.
We're gonna put the secret sauce on it,
Oh yeah. This old foothold.
Should we show them the muffin jet?
I don't know, man. That's the good stuff right there, guys.
It was all homemade this morning in Grandma's kitchen.
Oh yeah, bud. We'll see how it does tomorrow.
Hopefully get a coon or two tonight. Like, we're gonna set 3 or 4 traps this evening and see how it goes. I don't know. Hopefully get something good.
Alright, we got her set down in the hole here. I'm gonna get some dirt. Stir in there. I don't really have any dry dirt. But this is, hopefully work. Hide it a little bit from the coon.
This trap, we actually didn't have nothing on it last we checked it this morning. So we're gonna reset it there this evening.
Yep. Need some more dry dirt, really. Good enough for the coon, right?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
I do. Got the secret sauce here, made this morning.
A little bit of everything, some eggshells, some corn.
Oh, don't tell them the recipe now.
Wow.
Well, maybe if it works, we'll let you guys know.
Yeah.
But
homemade.
Little hole here. We dug.
Slap a little bit in there.
Get that nice eggshell. Make them think there's a nice little nest or something right there.
Something good to eat for supper, But joke's on them.
Yeah.
Need to make some more jam or what?
Nah, we got plenty in there. Close that up.
They're gonna be eating good tonight.
Get a little fish oil. Sunfish oil, I think. A little bit of that. Just get the stench out there. Really
Coons got really good noses on them, so they should be able to smell that from a mile away, So we got this one set, and we'll let you guys know. We're going to put a dog proof on the next set, so we'll be back.
Alright guys, Remington setting dog proof. We ain't tried this spot yet, but nice little creek crossing. They have a pretty good trail right there, the deer, coons. See if you can get it beat down in there.
about all she's gonna go.
Good enough, I guess.
We'll try it. Let's put the special sauce in it again.
Yeah. All right, tell them how you're making her up.
Well, we're gonna take this out of here and get you some of that.
Oh yeah.
Get a stick in here and put it down in there. Need a bigger stick.
Yeah.
Get some good stuff in there. Some egg in there.
Oh yeah. I like them eggshells.
Make sure you get her down in there pretty good.
A little more in there. Oh yeah.
You gotta give them something to chew on while they're waiting.
A little bit to enjoy, huh? Before we get them. Yeah, this is dog-proof trap.
All right, well, so once you get it all dressed up, they're gonna smell that here directly.
When they walk by, I guess.
Yeah, this is a pretty good trail that we're on. You want to show them the trail here?
I already showed them.
All right. Guess we'll sprinkle a little bit of corn on top.
Yeah.
Never hurt.
That'll work there.
Don't want to put too much, then they won't get in the trap. Just a little bit of this fish oil down.
Yeah, get that on the rim. Give it some nice scent to it.
A little bit.
Maybe.
Come on. Jeez.
Not bad there.
They'll probably smell that from a mile away.
Yeah, maybe two.
I don't know. We'll see.
Try this spot.
Bad boy.
Yeah, if you guys don't know, it's a dog-proof trap. You got to pull that back, put that pin down on the bottom.
There
and
she
then
is.
It sets a lever down in there. The raccoon or possum or even skunks get in them. They have to pull up with their hand on the trap, and then it sets it off. And this little lever right here, it pulls against them and catches their arm in there till we come by.
Then we'll come by and take care of them and whatever we want to do with them.
Yeah, we scun them up, got them in the freezer, got a few from this year.
But I think this little creek crossing here is just, it's not too deep or anything for a coon. They'll shimmy right across there just fine.
Yeah, we're gonna give her a try here.
So this will be our third or fourth one for the day.
Yep.
So,
well, that's about it for today. So we'll get back with you guys tomorrow with the results.
catch you on the flip side.
What's up, guys? We're back here the next day, about to go check these traps. I'm by myself today. Remington couldn't make it, so I'm gonna get the best video that I can, but I don't know how good it's gonna be. So pretty excited. I'm gonna go check these traps, so I'll get back with the results. What's going on, guys? Back here, we're at our first set. We got one in here, pretty nice one. It's pretty mad there, so I'm gonna take care of him real quick. I'll get back to you guys after that. Well, guys, I took care of him. I got this trap set right on a deer trail. My stand's actually over there for hunting season, and I was always having them on my camera during hunting season, so I decided to put one of these dog proofs right on the trail, and it worked out pretty good for me. Got him. I'm gonna reset it here, try again for tomorrow, but that jam was working pretty good that we made up last night. Well, guys, we're back to the second set, the one that Remington did. Don't look at like anything came by this. None of the corn's even eating around the trap, so we don't have to reset or rebait that one. But that's our second trap. We're gonna go check the other two, and we'll see how they did. Well, we're back at the fourth set. There was nothing that foothold, but looks like there was something here last night, and the trap is gone. My stake's right here. Seems like he must have slipped the trap up from over the stake. I use these nails, but I guess they weren't big enough, and he slipped the trap up from out over it because there was something here in this circle last night, but gone today, so I guess he got away with it. Who knows? But I'm gonna go get that other one, that Remington set, and bring it back here, because that would have been our second one we got from this spot. So we're gonna try that and see how it goes. Put a bigger stake in this time. Well, 1 for 4 ain't too bad. Would have been 2 for 4, but we got that one stolen, so that ain't too bad, I guess, for just a night of trapping. But that's gonna be it for the end of this video. We're gonna keep trapping for the rest of the season, so we'll let you guys know how that goes. Might make another video on it, but if not, turkey season's coming up. We got a trip planned down to Alabama, so we're gonna try to get that one on video. But that's gonna wrap this one up, so till then, stay knocked and loaded.